Welcome to an introduction to CamScanner. As you can see, I already have CamScanner loaded on my phone, but if you do not, just go to the Play Store, or if you're on an Apple device, go to the App Store. You're going to search for CamScanner, C-A-M-S-C-A-N-N-E-R. That's one word. And there's the icon for CamScanner. You can install it. It is safe, at least according to Norton. So I'm going to open it. And I don't want any limited time offers. In fact, you should not have to pay for anything with CamScanner. The free version is perfectly fine. Alright, as you can see, I already have some documents loaded here. I'm not going to do those. I'm going to do a new screenshot. You can either do it here. Well, I don't want a screenshot actually. I'm going to use the camera. Now this looks fine, okay? I'm moving that because I don't want it to take as well. It already did. See, it automatically takes a picture as soon as it finds a document. So I'm going to go to that, and up here I have a trash icon. I don't want that one. Okay, so I'm going to delete it completely. Okay, I'm going to move my phone away for just a minute because this document looks okay, and if I put it to my camera, it looks okay. But when you take this picture and try to upload it to Blackboard, it is not going to turn out well. So I suggest you turn on lights, a lot of lights. Okay, and then start looking for the document. Right, I've removed the document so that it will stop trying to take a picture for me while I show you that here you have a setting called multiple pages. That's the one you will usually want to use because usually you'll have more than one page to take a picture of. If you unclick that, it will take one picture and that will be your full PDF. If you click multiple pages, you can put as many pages as you have written on into one document. Okay, so here is my page. It's going to start searching for it. And there, please don't move. It found it. I didn't have to click a thing. Now I want a new document. So let's do this document. I move it over. It's good if you have contrast behind your document. Okay, so now I'm done. I'm going to click. I clicked down on the documents that were shown in my lower right corner, and here I have the first page and the second page. And these are vertical. Please make sure to check if they are oriented correctly. If they are not, you can click here and it will turn them around. Okay. Nope, too far. There, that's where I want it. That one's oriented properly, that one's oriented properly. If the cropping isn't exactly right, you can touch here and work on the crops, but I'm good. So I'm going to click check mark. It does a pretty good job now since they've updated it within the past couple months. So there are my two pages. I like how they look, so I'm going to say okay, those are the two I want. Now I do not want you to put multiple pages or multiple pictures on one page. That's going to make it harder to grade. 2 pages are fine. Blackboard will accept 2 pages. Here I can zoom in as I just touch that one to look at it. I can zoom in on this one, make sure it's okay. You can add a signature if you need to. You can mark it up. You can convert it to Word. PDF is fine. PDF is preferred. In fact, okay, I don't need to rotate. I don't need to annotate. I need to send it. This is an image. Sending an image is fine. Now I did cut this one off a little bit, it looks like, so let's go back just a minute. This one, it's showing a little bit cut off. Okay. Here on this page it looks fine. So we're going to find out if this works or not. Now please do not share, because that will just share a link and I am unable to open those links in Blackboard. So instead, click the 3 vertical dots, and you can either send it to your PC if you have your phone hooked up to your PC, or email it to yourself. Okay, how do you want to email it? I want to email it as a PDF. Okay, here you can change the name. Okay, I like that. It's my name and the date. You can change it to whatever helps you locate the file. Okay, I'm going to click OK, and then I'm going to send it. Now the first time you click send to myself, it's going to ask you for your email. Obviously mine's already in here. So I'm sending it. I'm going to share it via Gmail. And this is the email I commonly use on my phone. I'm sending it to my SUNY Broom email. Send that message? Yes. Okay, I don't want QuickBooks. I'm afraid you're going to get ads. Sorry about that, but it's just going to happen. So I'm going to get rid of those things. And let me switch over to my computer so you can see what's going on with my email. Alright, so here's my email. I'm going to refresh. And here, this has come in. Rose's Hornets is the name of my YouTube channel. That's the email that I use for it. So if I click on this, scanned with CamScanner, I have this. Not what I want. There's what I want. Okay, so do not send me the link. All right, scroll down to the PDF. Okay, so you see what happens if you get it a little bit wrong. And look, it did capture everything like it looked like it was going to in the preview. So what you need to do is download this to your own computer. Once you have downloaded this to your computer, please go to our Blackboard course. There's an example Blackboard course, and here is a practice assignment. Now let me look at this as a student. So I'm entering my student preview and going to course content. I find this practice assignment, and it tells me there are 10 points possible. I can text in a submission, or I can attach files, which is what I want to do. So I'm going to browse my computer, and downloads here. Here's the PDF that I just downloaded. I click on that. I click open and make sure it's here. If you accidentally got the incorrect file attached, just click do not attach right here and then submit. And it takes a little bit. There you can see the name of the PDF I uploaded. It is converting to something that's visible here. Please take a look at it. Make sure it is clearly visible and that both pages are there. And when you're done, you can just go elsewhere. You are finished. You should also receive a confirmation email. And that's how you get your work from what you've done at home to upload it to Blackboard, so I can then grade it for you. Also, you'll be able to access this in Blackboard. We'll talk about how to do that later. And you will be able to see any marks that I've made on it and why you received the grade that you did on your assignment. Let me know if you have any questions or difficulties.